Hey everyone, it's been a little while since I've done any videos. I've been a little bit under the weather, sinus infection, ear infection, bad allergies, all sorts of stuff. So I'm starting to come out of it a little bit, but I'm still not 100%. With all that said, I just wanted to get a video out there because the channel's been growing, and a while back I said at 333 subscribers, I'll give away a Raspberry Pi 3. I also said that at 444 subscribers, I'll give away a Raspberry Pi 4. I'm having a problem though. Everybody that I've been reaching out to, I don't hear back from them. So what I'm going to do is request that if you want the Raspberry Pi 4, if you want the Raspberry Pi 3, subscribe to the channel, send me an email at the email address I'm going to put down in the description, and send me your user ID, your YouTube ID, and your shipping information, right? So that way I can confirm that you're actually subscribe to the channel, and then I can have the shipping information in order to send the Raspberry Pi 4 or Raspberry Pi 3 to you. The first person to give me the required information will get the Raspberry Pi 4, and the second person to give me the information will get the Raspberry Pi 3. Again, more content coming down the road, more collaboration. I'm definitely going to be doing some Linux. I'll definitely be doing some Python. Um, I'm doing a review right now for new features on CUCM 1251 SU2, so I'll probably make a video out of some of the new features that are coming out as well. So if you want to see any of that type of stuff, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the videos and leave comments and interact with the channel. I look forward to talking to everyone. Thank you.